In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Calendar in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your calendar and how to open it quickly, so you can start managing your tasks and deadlines in a more visual way. Let's start from your ClickUp workspace home. Go ahead and open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. The workspace home is usually the first screen you see after you log in. It's the main hub that shows an overview of what's going on in your account, like your tasks, spaces, and any recent activity. If you're not sure you're on the workspace home, look for the main navigation area where you can see your spaces, favorites, and views. You can usually return to the home screen by clicking the workspace logo or the home option in the left-hand navigation, depending on how your interface is set up. Once you're on that central dashboard, you're in the right place to access the calendar. Now, from your workspace home, draw your attention to the very top of the screen. You'll see a horizontal row of options and tools. This top row is where ClickUp keeps some of your main views and quick access features. Among these options, you should see one labeled Calendar. Take a moment to scan from left to right along that top bar. The Calendar option may appear next to other views like List, Board, or possibly other custom views, depending on how your workspace is configured. When you find Calendar, simply click on it once. As soon as you click Calendar, ClickUp will switch you from your home overview into the calendar view. Here, your tasks are laid out across days, weeks, or months, depending on your chosen calendar settings. Even though this video is focused specifically on accessing the calendar, it's useful to know that from this view you can see due dates, drag tasks to new dates, and get a clear visual timeline of your work. If you ever navigate away, just remember, first, go back to your workspace home, then use that top row of elements and click on Calendar again. With that simple habit, accessing your calendar in ClickUp will become second nature. That's all you need to open your calendar.